Bekwehla umthwalo emahlombo abakhweli bentimela basala banganabuyo ngemva kokuvala kwesiteji sesitimela iMabubhane. Ihlangano yentimela iPrasa izibuyisile intimela ngemva kokuthi umkhandlo lawula zokuphepha entimeleni uvume bona zingaraga nokusebenza intimela esitejini esi. Kwanje kufakwe intimela ezisezingeni eliphezulu khulu. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo namhlanje intimela zifike ngemva kwesikhathi esigange-awara lonke solo abantu balindile. Ekuyinto eyenza abakhweli basilingeka baqetshukela.
Lekekale re emetse train a re khotsofala le itlile a ra ikutlwa monate because re emetse hore e tlo nna metsa re ska latelwa ha re ya dishopong le meberekong fela be ya.
I was using public transport, but in terms of people who are vulnerable, who are not able to get transport money for taxis, they were unable to access the train. So when the trains are back, it's 950 to go to town. Just imagine for someone who's staying local, and then so it's going to cost him or her 950 to go into town so that he can be able to go to work.
Intimela enarheni le azikaphephi. iPrasa yabhalelwa ukuvuselela ikontraka yabo nogadi ngo-2019. Lokhu kwenza bona koniwe kumbi imithangalasisekelo yentimela ngaphambi kokuthi kufike icorona ngo-2020. Abantu abathengisa lapha babawe insebenzi ePrasa bona zikuvimbe lokho kungasenzeki.
Hona bana ke breadwinner le mpona ke le so. Ke me ke na le bana, ha ona bana ba ba rekang bana ba ka ba sebetsi.
Re tla khona bona business, re tla khona tshwana le batho ba bang, and then go no Gare Prasa e ditse gore trena e bo, and then ba khona lukisa mare still the stations tse ding a di se lukisiwe mare they are still going to fix them.
Ofisi lezemali zikahulumende libekele ngeqadi ingidi ezimakhulu alithoba wamaranda bona kulungiswe imithangalasisekelo yentimela enarheni le yonke. Lokhu kufaka phakathi itechnology kunye nabonogadi. Ngqongqoshe wezentuthu ufikile Mbalula kulindeleke bona athule ngokomthetho iMabubhane Rail Corridor ngelesithathu.